Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to UleFone Armor 70 Pro. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Following that, in order to use it, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Now click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of 70 Pro. Also on 70 Pro, select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally click on all of those categories at the top and click on this type of dots to choose multiple files from your category. If you want to, you can also just tap on the chosen ones. Then hit Send next to selected to continue. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan the QR code, you can do that using this scanning icon next to Input key on UleFone. Now, to allow camera access, tap on while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. You can also click on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers from an Android and hit Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!